Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add, remove or edit links in new tab in Microsoft Edge browser. When you open Edge browser and after that open a new tab in Edge browser, you see something like this that are advertisement or promoted links from Microsoft Edge. In case you want to edit it, just hover mouse over icon and you will see three dots that says more options. Click on this one option and here you will see this option remove. To remove it, you can click on this one remove option. This will remove that particular link from this one Edge browser new tab. In case you want to edit it, just again hover mouse over any icon and click on this one three dots menu and then you will see here rename. You can rename this one options. Similarly, you can rename this all. In case you want to hide all this, click on this one settings gear icon and then you will find this one option show promoted links. Just turn off this one toggle switch. This will remove all links all together at once. In case you want to remove a few links, I have already shows the steps. That click on three dots menu and select a remove option. In case you just want to disable particular links, don't want to remove, just select this one disable option. In case you want to add some particular web page that you love to use frequently, then click on this one add shortcut button. Here name the site such as Gear Up Windows and then type the URL of that web page. After that, click on this one add button. From now onwards, when you will open a new tab, you will see all these links. Clicking on any link will open that web page in same window. In case you want to open it in a new window, just again click on this one settings gear icon and in the drop down menu you will see this one option open in new tab. Just turn on this one toggle switch. From now onwards, whenever you will click on any link in new tab of Microsoft Edge, it will automatically open in a new web page. That's all about this video. Bye.